Hello everyone and welcome. In this course we will learn Adobe Illustrator from A to Z. This program is designed for everyone, beginners and those who want to become professional designer. What we will cover in this episode: understanding the Illustrator interface, learning the basic tools, creating simple and advanced design, exploring colors, typography and effects, preparing projects for print and digital use. In advance, we will discover how AI makes design faster and smarter. Use tools like generative recolor to instantly change color palettes. Explore AI-powered plugins and scripts for automating repetitive tasks. Integrate Adobe Firefly for creative AI-driven artwork. Boost your productivity and creativity with AI features. When you open the Adobe Illustrator app on your PC, you see this page. It has a different size like custom, HD, letter, A4. You can choose everything that you want. In the right side, you have a setting that you can change them up to your plan. Here is width, height. You can choose how much pixel that you want. For advanced setting, you have color, RGB or CMYK. The pixel that you have the model like default or more. And here also you can choose and select the setting like your project. It's up to your project. Then you create document, and in here you have an artboard. Here is your artwork place. In the left side you have some options. In the app side also you have some options like file, edit, object, type, select, effect. And in here you can use something that you want up to your project. From edit file we sometimes use place to enter any pictures or something into our artwork. Like this, I choose this picture, click on the place, then I can draw on my artboard. As you see, it's edit part. In here we have some options that we can use sometimes: paste in front, paste in back, paste in place, paste in Adobe Illustrator, preference, clear. And we have object part. We can group our design. We can crop the image like this. We also have some pattern, repeat, rasterize, blend. These options also useful. Image trace, that we can remove the background or change it to black and white. It is trace. In type option, we have some font designs, how we can make our font readable, and also select effect. An effect is very useful. In this option, we have to change our design effect for different designs or different effects, stylize, wrap, and more effects. You can find it in effect option. Then we have view and windows part that it's also useful for our designs. Now in the left side we have toolbars. Here is some tools that we use every time for design something. Like selection tools, we can select our design or something that we want to change the position. Then we have shape tools like rectangle shape, circle shape, star shape. We can choose and draw it in our artboard. It's shape builder tool. We can draw our shape with pencil, then it changes automatically for a shape like circle, rectangle, square, and more. Now we have draw tools. It's a pen tool that we can draw everything that we want. Eraser tool that we can clean our artboard and we can delete everything that we don't need. It's also the brush tool that we can draw our design. Then we can use a brush tool for calligraphy, for type some things or draw some things. We have text tool. We can choose the text tool, then we type our name of the brand or something that we want to add by text in our design. And here is fonts and how we can change the measure of our text. It's under our text. Here is the right side. We have some option like properties, retype, comment, layers. The important part is layers. We can lock the layers. We can choose which layer we want to see or we don't want to see. And here is properties. For properties we can change the pixels, artboard, and we can edit our artboard like a ruler or grader. It was everything that you must learn about basic Illustrator or basic designs. Now I want to describe for you when we can use AI into Adobe Illustrator. AI is available into Adobe Illustrator for some countries. You can active Firefly, then you can use AI into Adobe Illustrator. But in our country it's not available. I cannot active Firefly. You can check the visibility or availability this for your country in the website, then you can active this. It is available for your country. I describe for you how you can use AI into Adobe Illustrator. Then you can use. The first one is generative a picture. You give a prompt for the and that part is like generative pictures. You give a prompt, then it generate a picture for you as your prompt. Then you can give it a design with your idea. As you see, it's not available in my country. You can try and tell me in the comment if it's available for you. In this picture I also use AI. I generated this picture into Midjourney. Then I added this in here and I use trace image. Then I make a logo and I also add text on that. For making a logo you also can use AI like this if it's not available in your country. I also can add this picture in here. I wanted to show you how we can add mockup in Adobe Illustrator. You can select your design, then from edit part you can choose a mockup, and you can also choose the design that you want to add for your mockup. We also use AI for generating font in Adobe Illustrator. You can choose, then you go to the right side, then retype, and you have some options from AI for your font. You can choose that every font that you want and add this in your design. Also generating a color palette with AI in Adobe Illustrator. It's also not available in my country, but you can give a prompt for AI in Adobe Illustrator to generate your design or generate your color palette. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your question. I'm here to answer your question. Thank you for staying with me.